Yeah, light. Over 18. Tukumbura hindi mark. Then 24. Okay. Sakabo. We want to go to my questions. I should say. Martin number 12. 6, 12, yes. It would be number 12.
The diagram shows some components of human blood. Which component of blood transport oxygen to the body cells?
Can you read that?
The diagram shows some components of human blood. Which component of blood transports oxygen to the body cells?
Okay, so which component of blood transports what oxygen to the body cells? So the topic is transport systems. Transport systems. This is where we talk about the heart, the blood vessels, and we also talk about the blood itself. So 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The heart, what does it do? Pumps blood through the blood. So we'll look at the structure of the heart. So what does it look like? Let's have a model heart here in 4 sections, 4 chambers of the heart. Right. Your right hand side, if you raise your right hand side, right kwako ndoku left kwa heart. Left hand side kwako ndoku right kwa heart. Remember that. Because this heart, heart munhu wakatasana naye. Saka ndikatasana newe, zvatikaita izvi, ndeti uku ndo itasorwa rwedu. Kuchii kwako ikoko? Left. Kwangu ku right. Azvona? Iri right yangu. Yokwauri chi? Saka ndozvirava. Alright. Tadaro. So divide your heart into the right and the left. So no heart here. Divide it into left and right. Then kumsoro we are going to open up and up. Up and open bladder. Blood in. Pinda. These 2 are called atrium. Nari 2, not 2 atria. Nari 1, not 1 atrium, 1 atrium. The plural is atrium. Anyway, so of course, it is the right atrium, it is the left atrium. So I'm going to remember kumsoro atrium. Then, chinoita blood canopinda mu atrium, rinobva straight into the bottom chamber, which is called a ventricle. Ventricle. This one is also called a ventricle. And blood does the same here. It also goes into the ventricle. So my ventricles, they also have openings. So blood can reach Buddha nema ventricles. So in. Haripinde nema atrium, Buddha nema ventricles. Simple. So already at this stage, you have labeled all the 4 chambers of the heart. This is the right atrium, left atrium, the right ventricle, left ventricle. So whatever the heart. Then next, the blood vessels. Blood vessels tine 3 types. Tinema veins, tinema arteries, toita anonzi capillaries. To my capillaries, you know the smallest blood vessels. These are the smallest. And what is their function? They allow for diffusion of substances into and out of the blood. Understand? My capillaries along my lungs, along my intestines, etc. So to my smallest to my capillaries. And it check my veins. What do they do? My veins, they carry blood back to the heart. Back to my arteries, they carry blood from the heart to body parts. So this is the general function of veins. They carry blood from body parts back to the heart. Whilst arteries, they carry blood from the heart back to body parts. From the heart to body parts. So iron, arikunza blood inner. Let this function. This is blood going back to the heart. Going away from the heart, and then into the heart, and then. This one is a vein. This one is a vein. This one is an artery. So make sense. Artery. This one is an artery. Just appreciate it. Vein. We're gonna in. Try to remember that. Vein into the heart. Vein in. And then artery out. You can remember that, So that I told you about the heart with its 4 chambers and also its 4 blood vessels. Now let's start to appreciate that we are going to have some special names for the veins. Right, so this one is vena cava. This one. Very good, right? And it's a vein, but it's called vena cava. So we only have it's said to be the largest vein, blood pool. Then there's also the largest artery, which is called the aorta. Aorta. So, and you can see they are opposite each other in my diagram. I got a diagonally opposite. And then, so try to remember these 2 special ones, the vena cava and the aorta. So remember. Kana zohandisa? Try to remember these that are diagonal opposite here. Sort of my veins, very in, and then in atriums, and then my ventricles out, and then the aorta. The aorta is our largest artery. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to paper now so that you get a full picture. So, this blood that is going out in the aorta will go to all body parts. So what we simply do, we simplify and say body. Second blood here. We're going to body. Rakata pronechi aorta.